ain't no joke. I like to buy the world a token. Teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. And teach the world to snuff the fires and the liars. Hey, I know it's just a song, but it's fast for the recipe. This is a love attack. I know when our body's back, it's just like any fat. It retracts before impact.
And just like fashion, it's a passion for the with it and him. If you got the goods, they'll come in by it. Just keep staying the click. So don't delay, act now, supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive, 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow them, they be out tomorrow, buddy. The option, you might as well be walking on the sun.
25 years ago, they spoke out and they broke out of recession and oppression, and together they told and they broke out with guitars around the bonfire, just singing and clapping. Man, what the hell happened? There's always spellbound. Some were hellbound, some they fell down, and some got back up and fought back as the meltdown.
And the kids were hippie chicks, all hypocrites, because fashion is fashion, the true meaning of it. So don't delay, act now, supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive, 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow them, they be out tomorrow, buddy. The option, you might as well be walking on the sun. You're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. So don't delay, act now, supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive, 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow them, they be out tomorrow, buddy. The option, you might as well be walking on the sun. You might as well be walking on the sun.